Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can post journal or do a corrections or adjustments on LessAccounting. To post a journal, you will need to go to settings section, and at the very bottom there is journal entries. From here, to create a new journal entry, click on create journal entry. Add the title of a journal entry, so for example I will put 06/2022 and we'll call it as a cost correction. Okay, add the date of this journal, so I will say on 21st, and put an amount, so for example £150, and I will select first category, so where I'm taking this money from. So my cost been increased by 150 under rent, so I want to decrease rent by 150, and second category is where I want this 150 to go, so I will have office expenses, and this will increase, so I'm reducing rent costs and increasing office expenses by 150. I can add a note, so for example correction, if there be new chart of accounts code created, or this one is just cost adjustment. Okay, and click save. So journal has been added there. When I click on this journal, it can be still amended, edited, or also deleted if required. So this is a way how you can record journals on LessAccounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my LessAccounting tutorial, as well as my review of this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.